scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Java loops can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's analyze the code to see exactly what this method returns to us. First, look at the initialization where the variable var starts at 0. This integer will act as our accumulator, storing the running total as the loop executes its logic. Next, the for loop begins with the variable loop set to 1. It continues as long as loop is less than or equal to num, incrementing by 2 every time. Finally, the code adds loop to var. Starting at 1 and skipping by 2s, we only add odd numbers. Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code and learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing. Always check loop increment steps carefully.